This Bubba down there. Yeah, I hit yesterday, last night. Me and my wife had special anniversary. We went out to that there Golden Corral. Boy, I done that done twist my insides up something wild, something wicked. Oh Lord, I had plugged everything up. There's poo poo coming out the kitchen sink. There's dishwashing suds coming out the toilet. I need some help over here. Lord Jesus, I need a exorcism on my anus. Please call me back if you get this again. This Bubba down the trailer park, 555 on the trailer park road. Call me back, son. Bye bye.